to HIV communities who coined the game-changing phrase U equals U or undetectable equals untransmittable to make science simpler to understand for everyone. When people with HIV have undetectable viral load, then the HIV virus is untransmittable, and also people stay healthy, lead normal lives, and help to end stigma and discrimination. Manoj is inching towards completing 30 years of living with the HIV virus, healthy, positive, and doing as much as possible to ensure that every person with HIV remains healthy too. U equals U must become a reality for everyone with HIV. That is the pathway towards ending AIDS along with positive prevention as well as combination prevention. Manoj co-founded Network of Maharashtra People with HIV in 2001 and later co-founded National Coalition of People Living with HIV in India, or what we call NCPI+. He is also globally recognized for establishing a social enterprise, Tal Plus Pharmacy. Daksha Patel has been living with HIV since 1999. She chose to openly share her HIV status so that no person living with HIV should become invisible and unheard of because of myths and misconceptions and stigma. Even as other people with HIV shared the trials and tribulations they had to go through, Daksha counts on her blessings and strengths to find the light and support to not give up and rise back in Surat, India, to be among the founders of the Gujarat State Network of People Living with HIV, as well as the National Coalition of People Living with HIV in India, or NCPI+. Daksha is unstoppable. As a community activist, she continues to raise the issues faced by people with HIV, with policymakers and decision makers through positive and constructive dialogues. She said, "I strongly believe that only when I am healthy can I continue working harder for the community. I follow my HIV lifelong treatment adherence, remain virally suppressed, and take full responsibility for my health. Because when I stay strong, my community becomes stronger." 25 years ago, M. Sudarshan Reddy was diagnosed with HIV. That was the year 2000. Since then, he has been regularly taking life-saving antiretroviral medicines with adherence. He maintains good hygiene and follows a healthy lifestyle. He is also championing the cause and connected with networks of people living with HIV and support groups. Since 2006, he has been serving the HIV community and helping them with treatment counseling, motivating them to continue adhering with lifelong and life-saving ART therapy, and sharing his journey to inspire others. He believes if he can lead a healthy, confident, and dignified life, then why cannot everyone else? 25 years ago, Prashant Yende was diagnosed with HIV. He says that he got a new life when he came in touch with Network of Maharashtra People with HIV in 2001. Peer counseling, psychosocial support, and health and treatment literacy helped Prashant rebuild his life with confidence and dignity towards health, well-being, and happiness. Not only did he take good care of himself, he also rose to help others with HIV who were challenged by similar tribulations. In 2004, he established district-level network with local HIV community members, contribution of which was recognized with awards including Samaj Gaurav Puraskar, Samaj Bhushan Puraskar. In 2009, he shouldered the responsibility to work with the state network and continues to serve as its treasurer. He is also involved with NCPI+. Tarit Chakrabarti from West Bengal has been living with HIV since the last 25-26 years when he was first diagnosed. He started receiving life-saving antiretroviral therapy since 2007. Today he is healthy and happy and has risen to shoulder responsibility of helping others with HIV. Sadhana Jadhav hails from Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh and was diagnosed with HIV in 2003. The same year, she lost her husband, which further compounded her challenges. Anchored to her faith deep within, she not only took good care of herself but also joined hands with other local people with HIV. In 2005, they collectively formed the district level network, and she took the responsibility of being its secretary. Soon after, she was elected as vice president of the state level network, and currently she leads the National Coalition of People Living with HIV in India, or NCPI Plus, as its president. NCPI Plus and community support has played a foundational role in her journey. 15 years ago, at the age of 21, Feli heard the words, "You are HIV positive." Her world shook. She faced stigma, judgment, and even bullying, often from the very people she believed would stand with her. As a young mother, it was a painful and lonely journey for Feli. But those hardships became her strength in due time. She said that through courage, knowledge, and self-belief, and encouragement from kind people, she has rebuilt her confidence. She rose to find Mizoram State Positive Network, or MCPN. She learned that HIV does not define her. She says, "I define me." She had been bullied, but she chose to support, not to bully others. Today she works for people who once faced the same challenges as she did, so no one else feels the loneliness she had gone through earlier. Her story is a powerful biography of resilience and hope. Feli said, "HIV does not stop your life, stigma does." Pooja Mishra was diagnosed with HIV in 2010. Back then, fear and uncertainty hounded her, but she refused to give up. With her inner resolve and with regular adherence to antiretroviral therapy, self-care and support, she has rebuilt her life step by step. She said, "Today I stand here healthy, strong, and full of hope. HIV did not defeat me. It educated me, empowered me, and transformed me. I want everyone to remember that HIV is not the end. It is just a chapter. With treatment and positivity, you can live a full, beautiful, unstoppable life. Let us walk together with courage and dignity." Manitosh Ghildial was diagnosed with HIV 12 years back in 2013. He is a proud survivor of HIV and tuberculosis both. With timely treatment, care, and determination, he has rebuilt his life and has chosen to speak openly so he can help break stigma and misinformation and handhold others to tide through the tribulations he had to go through once himself. Since 2016, he has been working to support the HIV communities and networks in Delhi. With pride, he serves as a national community leader, advocating for the rights, dignity, and health of people living with HIV and key populations. He says, "I stay committed to my treatment, remain healthy, and take responsibility for my well-being, because when I stay strong, my community becomes stronger." Rahul Kumar Singh from Ludhiana, Punjab, was diagnosed with HIV in 2017. Thanks to life-saving antiretroviral medicines, he is living a healthy and happy life today. His lived personal brush with HIV and the support he got from others to rise up inspired him to stand alongside others who might be journeying through similar challenges he faced in the past. In 2019, he started working with vulnerable communities, and in 2020, they collectively formed Prayas Network of Positive People Welfare Society to bring hope, support, and strength to their community. Today, he is leading at the national level, advocating for the rights, dignity, and well-being of people living with HIV across India. We salute the grit, determination, and never say die attitude of Manoj, Daksha, Sudarshan, Prashant, Tarit, Sadhana, Feli, Pooja, Manitosh, and Rahul, and all others who have turned a once called death sentence into a life full of hope and encouragement and are helping others to end AIDS.